Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you my setup and how I make videos. So as we draw back here, you can see I have the phone just sitting in a tape roll, nothing fancy there. And we got our sneakers on a white sheet of paper with a curved background so that the background doesn't show. Next, after I'm finished making the video, I just go to my albums and I go to the videos and I crop the videos out just in case there's anything in the back or, like, let's say the floor here that I don't want people to see. So I just crop and turn. After that, I take all my videos and import them to a video editor. A tip here, I use hand gestures in my videos for editing because I don't want to listen to my videos and take up too much time while I'm editing. I simply just look for the hand gesture, and that lets me know if I'm ending a video or if I'm going to begin to speak. Okay, so if I see a lot of paint, like as I'm doing the midsole repaint, I'll sand it down.